Okay, hello everyone, this is Braden, and I wanted to show you guys how you can use OneDrive to create a way for your students to submit their online assignments. There's lots of ways to do this. This is just one, but this might be one of the easiest ones because you can accept pretty much any type of file. And so this is my OneDrive, and here's our ILI documents folder. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use my own personal things. Come up here to New and create a new folder. I'm going to call it, I don't know, Assignment Submission Folder. Sure, we'll call it that. Okay, and then it shows up right here. I click on this button, which is the Share button, and I want it to say this: anyone with this link can edit. Okay, and if I click on that just to make sure, I can say allow editing, and I can even put in an expiration date if I want to, and maybe sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, whatever, you can put that in there, but I'm not going to do that right now. And then you just copy this link. Click on copy link, it'll think for a second, and then you it's copied to your folder right there. Link to this place was copied, great, and you're done. I mean, that's like the whole process right there. So to test this, to show you what it looks like for your students, I'm going to open up an incognito window. That means I'm all signed out here. There's none of my things going on here. And all I do is just paste this here, and this shows up. So if you take that link that I just copied, right, this link right here, it's right there, and all you need to do is put that into an email and send it to your students. Okay, so if you do that, then they will get this link. It'll show up in their email, and then they can just click on the link, and it will bring them to this page right here. And they can come in and go, oh, upload a file. My file on, I don't know. I probably should have thought this through. What can I look? Oh, English perfect tenses. There we go. Upload this, uploading the assignment. Here we go, and there's your student's submission, right? Whatever that happens to be. And you can click on it and look on it, and everybody's happy, right? There's that. And if I'm going to close this, right? We're pretending that this is my student's computer. If I close that, I can come in here to my own, click, and look, there's the file, right? So everything shows up. Modified by a guest contributor. No idea who that is. It was me, but it doesn't matter. And there you go. That's just how you do it. You can put in video files. They can put in, well, your students, right? They can put in their essays. They can put in their audio files. They can put in recordings. They can put in videos. They can put in whatever they want. Whatever they have that can be uploaded, they can just stick it in here, and then you have it. Easy peasy. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for you guys, and I will talk to you guys another day. Bye.